Proof lock. Accuracy starts with your screen. Proof lock allows you to disable the soft proofing displays when they need calibration, or fail to meet the required color standards for on-screen proofing. Proof lock is available for Veripress and Blackmagic with the soft proofing add-on package. To enable proof lock, open the Serendipity client preferences via the application menu, Preferences for Windows, or the Serendipity client menu, Preferences for Mac. Select the Color tab. Proof lock is only available when CalCheck Managed is enabled. Enable the CalCheck Managed and Proof lock options. Set an expiry for the CalCheck Managed monitor calibration. This will ensure a pop-up reminder appears when a new calibration is required for the proofing display. Select OK to continue. Go to the Jobs application to proof a process job by selecting the application menu, Jobs, or switching to the Jobs window if one is already open. Select a job from a queue and click the View Original button to open the imaged preview in SoftProof. This is one of the messages that may appear once proof lock is enabled. The bottom right corner will display a red X in the status bar. Clicking on the icon will show options to calibrate or CalCheck. If an option is selected, the display's application will automatically open and attempt to perform the selected option. This will remember the previously used instrument, so if this is changed, you will need to alter the selection in the display's application before continuing. If the instrument is connected, the process will start. Follow any on-screen instructions to continue the process. When finished, the open SoftProof window will automatically refresh to remove any proof lock messages. If the CalCheck fails, the proof lock message will adjust to show what further actions are required. Hovering the mouse over the green tick in the status bar will display the results of the most recent CalCheck. If the proofing press is changed, proof lock will check if the selected press passes calibration and CalCheck. Here are some other examples of messages that may appear. The necessary steps required to continue proofing will be outlined. When the CalCheck Managed calibration expiry time has elapsed, a message will pop up. A new monitor calibration is required to continue proofing. For further information on configuring your setup for soft proofing, take a look at the Calibrate and CalCheck playlist on our channel.